2024 Honda Civic SI manual, black on red.
Yeah, I know you were complaining about the red color, so.
Got it all black.
Oh, I'm about to stall. No, don't stall, baby. Don't stall, baby. I almost stalled. No, don't stall. Did I stall?
Reverse, yes.
Reverse is difficult. Did I turn off the car?
Yeah.
Well, that was my first time going in reverse.
He really wants a manual, and I don't understand why, but whatever.
Oh, well, that was my first time going in reverse. It's the same thing as going in first gear.
I don't know how to drive manual either, so we're on your hands right now.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
As long as you don't gotta go reverse.
Have you driven manual before?
Yes. Is this blocked off?
No, so we're gonna, after that Kia, we're gonna go right.
Okay.
I heard after the first gear you're good.
Yeah.
Like once you're out of it, you're fine.
So does it tell me my gears on the?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Yeah. It's got a really nice clutch to it. That's what I like about this car. See?
You just
Yeah.
gotta
Keep grabbing it. Let it grab.
It's a both feet thing. That's why I'm not a big fan.
It's, I don't know, I've never done it, but I kind of want to learn. I wanted to tell them I wanted to learn on your cars,
Oh yeah.
and they started laughing at me.
Aw. Well, definitely learn on a car that you are comfortable with. But I would say the most annoying thing about a manual is just always having to put it in neutral when you have to park. But once you get used to how your car grabs the clutch and stuff,
Yeah.
then, you know, you'll be good.
Yeah, it's true. And once you get used to it, you can get really smooth. So
Uh-huh.
you'll just
Smoother.
Yeah. Gotta get used to the car.
Better.
Nice. Very smooth. It's fun though.
yeah.
4 and then
At the light, we're gonna turn right.
right here.
Yeah. And it has the blind spot monitoring system, so you don't have to, it'll help you when you're driving. And it has all the Honda sensing, including lane keep assist, collision mitigation, braking assistance, and road departure mitigation assistance as well.
Oh my god, I love this car. When I was driving the Mazda Miata,
Yeah.
it was a lot different. I just wish this one told me my gears. Like, it doesn't tell you what gear you're in.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you have to guess from the thing.
Yeah.
But basically, every time you shift, and maybe you can learn how to drive a manual from this too,
Yeah.
is you let go of the gas, clutch in, and then move it, and then back on the gas. And then all you gotta do whenever you stop is switch it to N. Switch it to neutral. And that's pretty easy. So right now I'm in third. Yeah, smooth shift, yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the left lane whenever you're
All the way left or middle?
We're here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna go straight.
Yeah, I love manuals. Like, I've just always wanted to drive one. I just, you know, was always scared because of stalling. But my wife taught me today. Off YouTube, I learned from YouTube, just looking up YouTube, and then she taught me what I was doing wrong. Because I would hold the brake every time I was trying to go into first gear and I would stall. So she was like, babe, you gotta put a little bit of gas in it, you know? So basically, whenever you're getting to a stop,
Yeah.
you just gotta put it in the middle and neutral every time. That's it.
Okay, makes sense.
That's pretty much.
But with your clutch.
Yeah, you gotta put the clutch in, put in neutral, and then brake when you're in neutral. So like we're coming up to a stop here, I would put in neutral right here, make sure it's in neutral, and then brake. And then you can let go of your clutch and you won't stall out. You'll be good. That motion of getting it back into first gear like this, and then you gotta just let it catch. See? Well, I'm still getting good at it, but
yeah. So over here, there's like a parking lot. We're gonna make a U-turn.
okay.
Right?
So let me know when to go.
Okay, we're just gonna go straight at the light. We're gonna do right.
Okay, okay, at the light, okay. Yeah, I'm still getting used to how to catch the gears for the transmission.
Yeah. I mean, you'll get used to it, you know, and then it'll be so smooth. You won't even. Some people drive manual better than automatic.
Yeah.
Definitely a guy thing. I don't think girls would
Yeah.
prefer. Okay.
So at the light, we're gonna make a U-turn.
I'm still trying to get it. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll get better at this.
Yeah.
Well, you want the car.
Yeah, that's why I need to know.
Go left here.
Left here? Guys, if you think I'm doing bad, just comment below what you think. I think I'm doing good for somebody, you know.
Stop sign. We're gonna make a U-turn.
Right here?
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make a U-turn.
Well, I guess we are right now. Oh, it's too small.
Yeah.
But you can merge back in, right? Or is- Yeah, you could. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Just merge back in.
Stop sign.
Yeah, so at the light, we're gonna turn right.
It's all about seating position too. You want to make sure you have a good seating position because you're going to be moving your feet a lot. Sorry,
A
babe.
little softer. Like that.
I go left here?
Yeah.
Okay. So many stops. So annoying.
I think your one is very, very aggressive.
Yeah,
But
it is.
your two.
But how do you think I'm doing, my instructor? Tell me, how do you think I'm
you're
doing?
doing pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Like, I haven't stalled once, thank God. Thank God. I haven't stalled. I just have to get my shifting more smooth.
Doesn't need to be so abrasive. Okay. Like that would annoy me having to.
That was pretty good. What do you think?
Pretty good. See how you did this abrasive.
That was pretty good.
It's so cool.
I'll do my best.
I want to buy this car. And then you could downshift like this. I just hate stopping so much.
Yeah.
And then pretty much it's
So
just.
we're gonna go straight.
Oh, straight?
you're going
okay.
straight.
Okay. Whoops. If you're not in neutral, this won't be able to go left and right. But this car is really fun to drive. What do you think, Mark?
I think we're doing pretty good.
Pretty
for
good.
a second car. It's actually
Yeah.
really good.
You had to teach me when I was in high school, and I stalled out every single time. I guess you gotta want to drive this. Good job. Okay. Taking off better. Good job.
I did good on that takeoff.
You did. It was a lot smoother.
Oh yeah.
Good job.
I'm giving myself a round of applause. I love downshifting in a manual. You can go from 5 to 4th, and then like I was freaking redlining it. That was because I forgot to shift when I was downshifting it too. I mean, I wish it told me my gear. There's probably a way.
I think once you start using it pretty often, you would just know.
You would just know? Yeah, yeah. I think that's probably why it's... Now we're just cruising. So how much do you guys have this car listed for, Mark? There's a police officer behind me. I think we're about to get pulled over, Mark.
I'll say that again.
We're about to get pulled over. There's a police officer. Look, it's literally a cop. Yeah, he's pulling me over. Yeah, he is. Look. Oh, never mind.
Damn, that's crazy.
I was gonna say.
You have no tag.
I was about to say we don't have a tag, so all right. Mark, I thought we were about to get pulled over.
That's hilarious.
Oh my.
I did not even see him.
Oh my god, I saw him. I was like, bro. I'm like, no way I got pulled over my first manual car.
Like,
I wasn't even going that fast. Imagine he pulls me over. You suck at driving a manual. I'm writing you a ticket. Get it automatic, you dumbass.
Hey guys, what's going on?
That's crazy. I was like, what? Oh man. Well, we're good. Haven't stalled, thank God. So great car, great car, great car. I gotta try and rev match, and I gotta get as good as the computer. I'm going. Another one. It's really testing my skills today. Oh man, so many lights.
Learning, I mean, you're doing good for what you know.
Yeah, I mean, it takes time, you know?
And the hardest part, I'm telling you, is first gear.
Yeah.
Is the hardest part.
Yeah.
Look at that. What do you think about that, bub? Look at that. I love how the seats hug you in too. That's cool.
So we're gonna go left.
Right here?
Left here. Yeah.
Left here, okay. And remember, you don't have a park. Your parking is this. Now it's parked, and you're good. Well, I'm gonna show the outside in a little bit.
Yeah.
It might look stupid, but it's because this was my first time driving a manual, so. This is a beautiful car. It's really pretty. Such a beautiful car. A great car to learn how to drive a manual. So go to your Honda dealership, but let them know you want to drive this car, because this car is very forgiving on the clutch. Now I know how to drive a manual. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below what car you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. The first thing you want to do is get your seating position right. Always make sure it's in neutral, okay? So you go left and right. Clutch in, brake, and then it'll start. And then you can release the clutch and brake because it's in neutral. You have your parking brake. And then put it in first, and then let go, take off the parking brake.
You're supposed to give it some gas.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot. Yeah, you gotta give it gas. Which way do you want us to go? Go right here? Okay. So you have to give it a little bit of gas when you let go of the brake. And then when you're in first gear, let go of the gas and you put it in second. And then you're good. That's how you shift to second gear, right? It's pretty easy. I like it a lot. I like the leather steering wheel on the SI.
It's pretty inside. I like the little red accents that they have right there.
And then
It's over straight.
so every time you stop, you have to do that same first gear motion. You know?
Would you want to drive one?
Yes. Alrighty, where should I park it? Right here?
Pull it up in one of the front spots, is okay?
Okay.
Handicap's full, so it's up to you.
Yeah, I knew this car would be easier to drive.